Hello, I'm Atom. Even you're matter, made of billions, zillions of me. The humanity, of course, has spent a lot of fortune in discovering and understanding me. After a lot of struggle and patience, I found what I really am. Just looking back to how I was discovered, let's flip through the history and go back to the age of 1600. Sir J.J. Thomson, where he briefed that an atom has positive and negative particles. Like a watermelon, the negatives being the seeds of it and the red flesh being the positives. In 1729, a very famous gold foil experiment made greater and more accurate effort in finding me. Sir Rutherford sent simple charged particles through the foil known as alpha particles. If Thomson's theory was correct, all these beams should have reflected back, but to his wonder, 1 out of 12,000 reflected back. He concluded the positives are just 1 by 10 to the power 5 times of the total atom. It's like a small football in an entire stadium. I was very happy. I finally knew that soon a lot of people will find me out. Coming back to me with a lot of discoveries, I finally knew how I was. I'm beautiful.
Don't you think you're still in my era?
I'm the home to an amazing family. Do you wanna peek inside? There are 3 members, and I call them 3 musketeers of the universe. Let me introduce to them. Here comes Miss Positive, always cheerful, very heavy. Don't go on her looks. She is inside the nucleus, the center of attraction. Hello, Neutron. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Sorry, he's a shy guy, very silent. I never understand what he has in his mind, but he is one of a kind. In each family, there is always a notorious trait, a naughty sister, full of energy. Did you complain about proton to the next atom again? Electron, why are you like this? Oof, she's such an interactive and light member. Finally, you have unraveled the main mystery of chemistry. About how it works, we will talk about it later. Let the Einstein in your mind rest a bit.
What's happening here?
I, Lelouch v. Britannia, command you. Now all of you,